Widening social and income inequality is a global issue. As for Korea, public sentiment has worsened over the years in terms of social class mobility. Junghee looks beyond the numbers.
Korean people have become very pessimistic in terms of their social status and class mobility. According to a Statistics Korea's report on Monday, in 2015, 20% of Koreans answered that they belong to the lowest socio-economic status considering income, job, education, and wealth, a significant rise from only 12% back in 1994. Those who think they belong to the middle class decreased from 60% down to 53%. On whether one would be able to attain a higher social status through lifelong efforts, only 22% of people had a positive view, compared to 60% in 1994. Negative views rose from 5% to over 62%. The lower income they earned, the more pessimistic they were on the possibility of class mobility.
Especially respondents in their 30s and 40s saw that the possibility of them moving up in social class was very low. It appears that the older generations relatively benefited from the economic development in the past, but not for younger ones, leading them to have negative expectations about the future.
The results of the OECD's 2015 Program for International Student Assessment show that social inequality in Korea has worsened over the last 10 years. The gap of academic performance between students with different social, economic, and cultural backgrounds widened from 31 points to 44 from 2006 to 2015. This is a gap 6 points higher than the OECD average of 38. The United States was able to narrow this gap by 13 points, the same with the United Kingdom and Denmark by 8 and 7 points, respectively.
Parents think that by cutting spending on education, their kids will suffer from inequality, lower income, or even the inability of getting a job.
Experts also say that Korea's society needs to be further prudent in terms of maintaining its current education system, which is seen to aggravate the feeling of deprivation or ranking among students as they're continuously compared to other peers. Junghee, Arirang News.